Well, it's 12:59 a.m. Almost 1 o'clock. What's going on down here? Sounds like someone's vacuuming. Oh, look, it's Shelly vacuuming. Oh, hi, Shelly. How are you doing?
Very good.
What are you doing? Vacuuming?
Vacuuming tonight and doing this tonight.
Oh, do you know what time it is?
Yeah, by 1.
What time is it? 1 a.m.?
1 o'clock at night.
Holy mother, it's 12:58 in here. 12:58
12:58
here. Huh.
Go down the room and clean up the kitchen.
That's nice. You know, people try to sleep at night, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Then I
okay.
start now.
Alright, well, it looks nice in here.
Yep.
Did a wonderful job.
Thanks.
Alright, have a good night. Good night.
Alright. Can I call you go closer then?
That's right.
Yeah,
Yeah, she likes my pajamas.
Yeah.
Well, it's 1 a.m. It's time to go back to sleep. Over and out. Say, Shelly, you got anything else to say to the camera?
Yeah.
Tell them all about it.
Go those Cowboys and go St. Patrick's Day. Football for you, Losses.
That's right.
Yeah.
Holla.
That'd be good.